Hello everyone, welcome back. Thinking about joining Goat Funded Trader? Before you spend your money, you need to watch this. I'm going to break down everything you need to know about this prop firm. Goat Funded Trader launched in 2023 and offers traders the chance to trade with their money. You pass a challenge, they give you a funded account, and you keep up to 95% of the profits. Sounds great, right? But here's what you really need to know. Let's start with the positives. The company has 3,000 reviews on Trustpilot, and many traders report fast payouts. Some users say they receive their money in under 9 hours. The challenges have no time limits, which is huge if you're a swing trader. Prices start at just $30, making it one of the cheaper options out there. But here's where things get messy. Multiple reviews sites scored them only 42 out of 100 due to the lack of clear information. The firm doesn't share details about spreads or who provides their trading data, which is a red flag. Even worse, after moving to Hong Kong in December 2024, many traders report delayed payouts. Some were even banned from their Discord for asking questions. One trader passed both phases but was denied funding due to claimed rule violations, even though they followed all guidelines. Others complain about new rules being added after they bought their new accounts. The firm only responds to about 14% of negative reviews, leaving most complaints ignored. So, is it real or fake? Well, GoatFunded Trader is a real company, but it has serious problems. Some traders do get paid, but many face delays, unclear rules, and denied payouts. The lack of transparency is a major concern. If you're new to prop trading, there are better options with clearer rules and better track records. My advice, if you still want to try them, start with the smallest account. Read every single rule twice. Keep screenshots of everything and be ready for potential issues with payouts. That's the truth about Goat Funded Trader, guys. If this helped you, hit subscribe, drop a comment if you've traded with them, and stay safe out there.